Hi, welcome to this tutorial where I will show you step by step on how to install MetaMask on Google Chrome. First, go to Google and type metamask.io. Once you go to MetaMask main website, the page, you will see if you go down a little bit where it says download for Google Chrome. You click that. Once you click that, it will direct you to download the extension for MetaMask in your computer. You click that, then it will take a while to check in. Once it does that, it will direct you to another page for you to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If you don't have an existing wallet with MetaMask, you could create a new wallet. Click the create new wallet. Then it will direct you to a new page where it will ask you to read the policy for the MetaMask and agree to it. Once you read everything and understand what it is, click agree. Once you agree, then it will direct you to a new page where you have to create your new password and secure your wallet. It will give you your own secret recovery phrases. Please do not share it with anybody and keep it in a secure place. Otherwise, your wallet is compromised. Thank you for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.